Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Hazel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos, Nigeria. And if this is the first time you're watching my video on YouTube, please remember to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon, so whenever I upload a video on YouTube, you'll be able to watch and learn one or two things from this channel. Right now, if you are in Nigeria and you are receiving paper fund, and you're finding it difficult to transfer the fund from PayPal account to your Nigeria bank account locally and withdraw the money, and if you are the type you are finding it difficult to do all this stuff, so this video is going to walk you through the step by step on how you can actually transfer your fund from PayPal account to your Flutterwave account, then from Flutterwave account into your Nigerian bank account. Now, in this regard, what you need to do before you can actually receive your funds successfully from PayPal account is that first you need to have a PayPal account business account, and you need to have a Flutterwave business account. If you have the two, it is very much easy for you to withdraw the PayPal fund without any stress, without any hassle. This practical video I'm going to show you, I'm going to demonstrate with on the screen right here. I have done it, and I can tell you that I received my fund in less than 24 hours in my Nigerian UBA bank account. So now let's jump into the video and see how you can move your fund from PayPal account to your Flutterwave account, then from Flutterwave account to your Nigerian local bank account. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your PayPal account. Let's say, for instance, this is my PayPal account. So I'm going to input my password and then press enter to log in. Right, so I have to check on the security code. Right, and this one here, and this one here, and click on verify. So guys, like I said earlier, before I start the video, I tried to practice this thing out yesterday with just a $2 transfer. So you can see it was actually 24th of May 2021. So purchased from Flutterwave Payment Technology. So I tried to withdraw $2 to my Flutterwave business account to be sure that this thing really works, and to my surprise, it's very much perfectly working, and I got my money in my UBA account in less than 24 hours. All right, so now what we are going to do next here is that we need to, so you can see my PayPal balance now. I'm going to withdraw all this fund now. You will see as an to serve as a sample for you guys. So now the next step to take is to go to your Flutterwave account. If you have not created Flutterwave account, business account, all you have to do is to come to the flutterwavewebsite.com and make sure you create a business account, and make sure you submit all your verification before you will be able to perform some transaction on the platform. And also, if you are signing up on Flutterwave account, make sure you sign up for business account, so that you will have a PayPal features on the website. Now, for the PayPal, if you don't know how to open a PayPal account that can send and receive money in Nigeria, I have the video on my YouTube channel. Check the playlist and see how you can open a PayPal account that can send and receive money in Nigeria. All right, so let's go back to Flutterwave. Now, I have a Flutterwave business account already. So what I'm going to do is to just log in into my account. So we have to come to the top here and click on sign in. Now the next thing we need to do is to come down below here and log in with our login detail on Flutterwave. So I'm going to come here and type in my email address. I'm going to enter my password. And I'm going to click on login to dashboard. Don't save. Alright, so this is my Flutterwave dashboard, and the next step we have to take is to come this way and we scroll down and look for payment links. Click on it. Alright, so the next thing you have to do is to come to the top here, click on create payment link. Now in this regard, I'm going to make it a subscription link. So I will select this. Then I will now fill in the information here. So I'll just say dollar payment testing. Okay, dollar payment link. Okay, I'll name it dollar payment link. Then I'll come here. I'll make sure I choose US dollar. You choose US dollar here. And having choose US dollar, so I will type some subscription that I will just say send proof of payment to my WhatsApp. Okay, so your description payment might be anything. So I'm just showing you this, guys. I'm just showing you guys how you walk through all the steps. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on create links. All right, so you can see here that the link has been successfully created. Now the next thing I'm going to do is that we need to come here and click on copy link. So the link has been copied. The next thing I'm going to do is to come to the top here and open a new tab. Then I'll come here. I will right click on the address bar and choose paste. Then I'll press enter key on my keyboard. So the link will be loaded. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to enter my payment information. You can see the name here is dollar payment link and by Exec Graphics and Multimedia. So your business must be a registered business so that you'll be able to perform these features on Flutterwave. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to enter my name here, Rafiu. My first name is Yakubu. Then the last name is Rafiu, right? So my email address is going to be Excel Graphics 16 at gmail.com. Right now, the amount here is US dollar, right? So I will come here and I will type in all the figures I have in my PayPal account. Let me see the amount. So I have 6 points. Let me just type $6, right? So I'll come back here to the payment link. I will type in $6. Okay. So I have $6. Okay. Then I'll come here and click on pay. All right, so you can see right here that we have $6 on the movement ready to go. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to click on proceed to PayPal. So now guys, you can see that this is pretty much easy. You can see pay with PayPal balance, right? Now in some cases you may have card option here in case if you have linked your bank card with your PayPal account, but in this regard I need to move my PayPal balance to my Flutterwave account, then from my Flutterwave account to my Nigerian bank account. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on pay now. So PayPal is going to process the payment, and you see what happened in a few minutes. Wow, that's it. You can see right here that your payment of $6 was successful on 25th of May 2021 into Flutterwave account. Now for you guys to know that this is real and this is very much correct transaction, you can head back to your Flutterwave dashboard because you move your funds from PayPal to Flutterwave account. So when you get to your Flutterwave dashboard, you have to look for customers. You click on customers. All right. So Flutterwave is going to show you the customers that make payments. Let's see. Okay, let's go to transactions. So when you get to transaction, click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Wow. So click on done. Now you can see here that we have a payment of $6 from Flutterwave from PayPal _ Flutterwave today, 10:40 a.m. Nigerian time. So now this payment from PayPal to my Flutterwave is going to do the processing of these payments into my Nigeria bank account in less than 24 hours. I will receive this payment, right? This is another transaction I made yesterday at 10:38 a.m. Nigerian time, and I got the money in less than 24 hours in my Nigerian UBA bank account. And so guys, this is how you can easily move your fund from PayPal account to your Flutterwave account, from Flutterwave account to your Nigerian bank account without any hassle, without having any headache. But you need to make sure that your Flutterwave account is a business account and your PayPal account also is a business account. That is the only way you can have access to all these features I'm trying to explain to you guys here. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you have a value for this video, click like button, and also if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you click on subscribe button. And if you have any question as far as this tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. If you have tried this if you have tried this process I tried to explain to you guys in this video and it actually worked perfectly for you, please put the your testimony in the comment section down below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. See you soon. Bye.